Hi, good morning everybody. Today I am going to speak about Alexander Graham Bell, the best known for his invention of the telephone. He was born on 3rd 1847 in Edinburgh in Scotland. Young Alexander Hall, Alex, by his family. He was a curious child who was very interested in science of sound. He loved music and taught himself to play piano. His father taught elocution, how to speak clearly and correctly. When he was a teenager, his mother began to lose her hearing and encouraged him to learn even more about sound. At the age of 12, Alexander Graham Bell created his first invention. His best friend's family operated a flour mill. At the time, it took a lot of work to remove husk from the wheat, but some pedals and brushes Alexander Graham Bell invented a de-husking machine that made the job much simpler. In return, his friend's father had him a small workshop to experiment with his invention. Although he was homeschooled as a child, Alexander Graham Bell attended his high school in Edinburgh in Scotland. He did not do very well in school and left before he finished it. Afterwards, he went to live with his grandfather in London. He encouraged him and helped him gain an appreciation for learning sound. And after, Alexander Graham Bell began teaching elocution like his father and helped deaf people to learn to speak. By 1870, when Alexander Graham Bell was 23 years old, both of his brothers had died from a disease called tuberculosis. Alexander Graham Bell was sick too, and his parents was very worried that he would also die. They moved to Canada. They thought air there was healthier than air in London. During his time in Canada, Alexander Graham Bell got well again. And in 1971, he moved to Boston. He began spending less of his time teaching and more of time inventing. He experimented with a telegraph that could send more than one message at once by using different sound of frequencies. And while he was working on that, he started to believe that he could invent a way to send the human voice over wires. Alexander Graham Bell did not have much success with his invention until 1874, when he met Thomas Watson, that he is the best friend of Alexander. He was an electrical designer and mechanic who helped him with his work. On March 10, 1876, Alexander Graham Bell got his telephone to work. He said the first sentence, Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you. Thomas Watson, who was in the another room, heard Alexander's voice and hummed quickly, and telephone had worked. Less than 6 months later, telephone demonstrations were being given while curious people stood by amazed to hear voice from people a few miles away. Come out of Bell's invention soon. Thousands and thousands of people owned telephones. After the success of his invention, Alexander Graham Bell got married and had a family. Although he is the best known for the invention of telephone, he invented many other things. Thought his life including metal detector, a wireless telephone transmitted a signal with light, a device to detect problems with someone's hearing, and more. In 1915, Bell made the first transcontinental telephone call while he was in New York. He thanked to his old assistant Thomas Watson, who was in San Francisco, and they heard each other much more very clearly than they did during the first telephone call, 1876, March 10th. At the age of 75, on August 2nd, 1922, Alexander Graham Bell died at his home in Nova Scotia in Canada. When he died, every telephone in North America was turned off and silent in his honor. I hope you enjoy learning about Alexander Graham Bell. Goodbye. Hi, good morning everybody. Today I am going to speak about Alexander Graham Bell, the best known for his invention of the telephone. He was born on 3rd, 1847 in Edinburgh in Scotland. Young Alexander Hall Alex by his family. He was a curious child who was very interested in science of sound. He loved music and taught himself to play piano. His father taught elocution, how to speak clearly